What's going on, everybody? So it's Jessie Lee, and I am in the Costco produce section right now. What's up, YouTube? It's Jessie Lee, and call me #BOSSLEE, and I hope you love the video you're about to see. I'm pretty sure you will, because it's always content over here. I want to tell you about a couple other things, specifically one that you can also get some more value from, and all you need to do, and you can do it now, just pause this video, is go ahead and text YouTube to 844-277-9762. I'm going to be really upping the text game, and it's literally me texting you back. So if you want to have a more one-on-one conversation with me, enjoy the video, subscribe, comment below, and make sure you text YouTube again to 844-277-9762. I go here a lot for avocados. The only downside to avocados at Costco, I will say, is that they tend to not be ripe. So as an example, these are not ripe, but these are gonna be like the best deals you can find. So you end up getting 6 large avocados for, they're usually $6.49. Right now they're $7.19. I'm guessing that has something to do with Corona, but big fan of getting my avocados here, but they're not gonna be ready for you immediately. Avocados are one of the best ways to get your healthy fats in. Some people think that, you know, keto is just bacon and cheese. It's not. This is a great way to get your fats. Nuts are also, but I'll take you to the nut aisle in a minute. So for those of you who miss your fruits, these are great for you. You can make smoothies with them. You can do all kinds of creative stuff with your fruits and veggies. I will tell you, I love that Costco tends to have an organic range of stuff. So I don't actually see any, so this side over here is not organic, so I actually won't get this side, but that's fine. These are the best deals you're gonna find on berries. Strawberries, blueberries, they sometimes have blackberries. They do on the other side, I'll take you. But this is definitely where I grab a lot of my produce. If you are a mushroom fan, I am not a mushroom fan, but you see here, you have organic large mushrooms right here for $5.49. Little Costco tip, anything that does not end in 99 is on some kind of manager special. So you've got manager special right now on organic mushrooms. Right now you've got manager special on not only your mixed bell peppers, but also your little mini pepper hothouse grown. We make a lot of little mini stuffed peppers with these, with cream cheese and shredded cheese. I'll show you that in a little bit, wrapped in bacon. And the mixed bell peppers are actually sold out right now, probably because of Corona. So we won't be able to get any of those at this time. But if you go to Costco and you look like this, if it has green, it's organic. And these are still way cheaper than any grocery store you probably go to. So if you don't care about organic, cool, not a problem. Go grab the yellow. They are currently $4.79 for this giant clamshell. And actually I have something to show you. The organic strawberries right now are on super sale. So I like to make fat bombs a lot with berries, especially the raspberries. They're my favorite. I'll share that with you. But over here, right now, organic 2 pounds of strawberries, this big one right here, is $7.97. Anything 97 is a Costco super sale. So I'm guessing their fruit isn't selling that well. We're in the middle of Corona time right now, so just as an FYI. But you can come here, you can make a lot of smoothies out of stuff. Organic blueberries. Blueberries are definitely keto. Now I'm talking like a small amount. Don't go too crazy, y'all, with your berries. I know some of you are fruit lovers and you go nuts, but blueberries in general are keto, of course. Do not grab grapes. Grapes are not keto, but I love this section here at Costco because there's just so much. I'm looking at a ton of spinach. I'm looking at, you know, you can do green beans that are keto. You can do over here, we've got organic squashes. I grab this all the time. I'm gonna show you this because I make pastas out of this. I make just fried zucchini out of this. I love this. So this is the best deal ever on squash. This is $7.49 for almost 4 pounds of squash. I grab these constantly. I love these. You can make zoodles really easy. Right next to it, you've got the broccoli, and then right next to that, we have organic Brussels sprouts, and I am a sucker for some good Brussels, and so I tend to crush these. I'll take the whole bag. I've got all kinds of Brussels recipes, so I'm pumped for you guys to see some of those recipes. But this right now, I mean, you can do celery. I don't eat celery, so I'm not even gonna touch that, but lots of options in the Costco produce section.